Lagos. Yes, so I'm doing this video because a few people have reached out to me and asking me if I have access to investments in Lagos, Nigeria. Of course, I'm your favorite real estate consultant. I'm Jeff Anuzi. I'm based in Enugu State, Nigeria. However, I know that there are a couple of people, especially my clients or my prospective clients based abroad, all right, that are looking to invest in Lagos State, Nigeria. However, they may want to go through a tested and trusted source like myself, all right, to make that investment. And yes, we have done a couple of property investment for clients right there in Lagos. And there's one of those properties that you should see. If you're also interested in investing in Lagos, but you've not known the right source to go about it, then I made this video for you. In a short while, I'll be showing you details of a particular estate in Lagos called the Lagoon Front Estate. It is a tested and trusted estate. It has a C of O and a governor's consent. I mean, how cool can a title for a property be? It's in a very strategic location, as you'll be seeing in that video. So you need to just watch till the end of that video to see every information about that particular estate. I have good news and a bad news. Let me start from the bad news. The price has increased. The estate was launched very few months ago, and the price have moved from 3 million naira to 4.5 million naira for the 300 square meters, and it's moved from 5 million naira to 7.5 million naira for the full plot of land. Nevertheless, with just a 500,000 naira initial investment, you can invest in this property and spread the balance for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 18 months. How cool can that be? The next video you're going to be seeing now is the video of all the information about this estate, and at the end of it, you can call me on 080967376668 and let us discuss the Lagoon Front Estate.
Okay, so now think about all the money you've spent in the past few weeks, few days. Is it up to 500,000? Because you are so close to owning a plot of land right in this beautiful estate. So good afternoon to you everywhere, and yes, this is the Lagoon Front Estate. It's just by the northern side of the Lekki Lagoon, and yes, it's around the popular Alaro City, and this is just 30 seconds drive from the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. So personally, I am so excited about this location. Why? Because it is so cool out here. The breeze is so on point, and everything is just really interesting. So if you are a smart investor out there listening to me, now it's time to jot a few things down so you do not miss out on the information I'm about to pass across to you guys. And I'm going to be telling you reasons why you should take advantage of this beautiful development while it is still at the off-plan stage. So I'm here this afternoon to tell you good reasons why you should invest in this estate. And people are already coming from different parts of the world to get their land here, to subscribe to this estate, to take advantage of it while it's still selling at the off-plan stage. Okay, so one thing about real estate is when you buy it at off-plan price, you can sell it to the latecomers at higher price, so that way you get your whopping return on investment. And that is how smart investors make smart decisions. So come along with me, let me show you good reasons why you should invest in this estate. Come with me. So number one reason why you should subscribe into this estate is this. You see, this Lagoon Front Estate, this beautiful development, is government allocation, okay? C of O, fully paid. So you have no issue, you have nothing to worry about. There is no omonile, there is no land grabbers. You have 100% guarantee on this estate. And yes, you know what I'm talking about. The whole issue of omonile is becoming a thing, which is what Landmark Corporate Realty Limited is trying to prevent you from going through. So number two reason why you must invest in this estate is that it is just by the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. And guess what? Active construction is ongoing. And you know that once this is completed, your investment, everything increases automatically. Your investment increases in value, and you have definitely nothing to worry about. It's going to be a highway drive, and you're going to enjoy your smooth drive into this estate.
The exact location of this estate, all right? So if you look very closely to your screen, you will see that the Alaro City estate, the popular Alaro City, is to that side. And if you look down, you will see the Lekki Ekpe Express that is very much under construction. As you can see, there is a lot of construction work going on that road right now, trying to make sure, the state government trying to make sure that that road is properly fixed. And that is another cardinal point why you should make your decision right now, because once that road is completed, automatically the market value of your investment right here is going to go up. It is automatic, all right? That is how we roll. And if you look onto the left side, you can see that the Ekpe town is to the left side. What is most important in what you're looking at right now is the Lekki Lagoon, the Lagos Lagoon, rather. You can see that the estate is sitting right beside the Lagos Lagoon.
Which is why you have to come and buy right now. Do not sleep on this at all. Once development starts here, your investment is going to increase in value. So I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to go straight into the price. So yeah, we had a pre-launch sales price, and congratulations to all of you who took advantage of that. So right now, the 500 square meter is in the market for 7.5 million naira. Yes, 7.5 million naira. And the 300 square meter is in the market for 4.5 million naira. And how cool can that be? And one thing about this whole price thing is that with an initial deposit of 500,000, you can start your journey into owning a plot of land right at the Lagoon Front estate. You know, and you can also spread your payments through 6 months, through 8 months, 12 months, and all that. So it's a flexible payment plan. So very quickly, what are the things you expect to see in this estate? So there is going to be dedicated power supply right here in this estate. There is going to be paved road. There is going to be potable water. There is going to be good drainage system. There is going to be perimeter fencing right in this estate. So this estate is everything you can ever wish for. So thank you very much. You've heard it all. Do everything you have to do. Call that realtor, schedule your inspection to come and invest in this estate right now, because before you know it, this estate will be sold out in no time. So until I come your way next time with review on this product and any of our products at Landmark Corporate Realty Limited, our message has not changed. Do not eat away your future, because your children will ask you, Mom, Dad, what did you do when Landmark was making so much noise? Thank you very much, and God bless.